Happy Hump Day. Good Wednesday morning, West Michigan. I'm Emily Scarlett.
And I'm Tanner Holbrook. You're halfway through the week. Thank you so much for waking up with us and watching on 13 Plus. Let's start with Chief Sam this morning because we do want to let people know that we are under an air quality alert. This time it's really for the ozone in our atmosphere.
Yeah, and so ozone in the atmosphere really just means we have a lot of pollution at the surface today, which is not necking towards us. The first going to bring us some occasional chances for showers, mainly north of 96 throughout your Thursday. And then this secondary low is going to roll through Friday and into Saturday, bringing us additional chances for showers and thunderstorm activity. In addition to our chances for rainfall, will kind of be a wide array of temperatures here in West Michigan. Beginning this afternoon, we'll make it into the low 80s, but then watch as the front moves through, headed into your Thursday, how drastically different temperatures could be just even north of the 96 corridor by Thursday afternoon, only breaking into the low 70s, potentially upper 60s, while areas 96 corridor into the south, upper 70s to low 80s. And this could potentially continue into the start of your Friday as well. Friday, 82 degrees for Grand Rapids, but Ludington look closer to 67 degrees for their afternoon high. So just be mindful of the fact when you're looking at the 7-day forecast for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, if you're north of 96, there's a high likelihood that your temperatures will be a little bit lower than what we're forecasting for highs. As for Saturday, we could still potentially break into that low 80 category, at least into the upper 70s. And then the systems finally clear out of here and we're back to dry and a bit more 30 miles per hour throughout the day today. We've got this low pressure system that will bring us our first chance of rainfall into Thursday. What I will say is that our chances are not overwhelming me of rain, right? These are going to be really periodic to occasional showers, especially on Thursday, where a lot of that rain could potentially end up setting up north of 96, keeping areas south of 96 predominantly dry. And then even into Friday, models are kind of indicating a split in the system, which could give us a bit more sunshine, especially in our southern counties once again, which is why your temperature profile could end up being significantly warmer than some of our northernmost counties. A continued chance for some spotty showers into the forecast as late as Saturday afternoon, and then it does look to trend dry for Father's Day, which is nice. Temperatures will be back in the upper 70s, partly sunny conditions on Father's Day. You can see that moon in full effect this morning if you do pop your head out before the sun rises here shortly. 51 degrees currently in GR, 47 in Big Rapids, and 51 in Muskegon. Underneath clear conditions in terms of our cloud coverage, but meteorologist Amber Tuardi is going to talk about air quality and some of the impacts there here in just a second. Winds right now, calm, sustained 5 to 10 miles per hour. I do anticipate quite a bit of a breeze throughout the day today, though, and despite it, temperatures get nice and warm, making their way back into the low 80s. More information on that throughout the morning here, but as we start off our day, you'll notice a little bit of that haziness left over in our upper atmosphere, but otherwise on the brink of a nice sunrise. 53 degrees currently, and winds calm for now. Temperature-wise, 51 in GR, 47 in Big Rapids, and 53 for Holland. So yeah, a light jacket could certainly be necessary throughout the day today. Mostly sunny conditions expected, though, really just some potential starting Thursday and lingering potentially into Friday or Saturday morning, I should say. And now in terms of those rainfall chances, I will say some of our latest guidance is kind of pulling back in terms of how much rain we could see just based off the placement of our current low pressure systems themselves. The first giving us the influence of the warm front today, and then this secondary system Friday and into Saturday, not looking to bring us quite as much rainfall as originally anticipated, but what we will likely see happen is a wide variety of temperature profiles extended across West Michigan, which is never fun. Today, low 80s for pretty much everyone. As for tomorrow, what could end up happening is a vast majority of our showers setting up north of 96 in the morning to mid-afternoon hours. And because of that, we could see much warmer temperatures the further south that you travel, mid-80s closer to the 94 corridor, upper 70s to low 80s for us here in Grand Rapids. And then the closer that you get towards Reed City, Baldwin, temperatures could only make it into the low to mid-70s. Similar setup for your Friday as well, and then a bit more even-keeled on Saturday as that system exits the area. In terms of our rainfall chances, especially for your Thursday, while we'll have lots of sunshine today, Thursday shower chances do look to be mainly concentrated again north of the 96 corridor. Lakeshore boundary temperature-wise today, upper 70s. So many photos out there on social media, and if you were able to capture a picture of it, you can text it to us at 616-559-1310. A hazy sunrise coming up over downtown Holland right now, 54 degrees currently. We are having some deteriorated air quality early on this morning that meteorologist Amber Tuardi will talk about here in just a second. But we're at 52 degrees as you walk out the door in GR, 42 in Baldwin, and 53 in Muskegon. As for our hour-by-hour temp apart a little bit, but we do have that deteriorating our sunrise early on this morning, or I guess amplifying it, you could say, looking like an orange ball glowing in the sky there. 54 degrees currently, a little bit of milkiness to the sky to start off our morning. That should help to break apart throughout the day today. We've got Dave's traffic maps half behind me, and temperatures here too. 47 degrees right now in Big Rapids, 52 in Grand Rapids, 54 in Holland. As we head throughout the day today, we will continue our of ozone. That means our air quality is slightly depleted throughout the day today. I do expect the wildfire haze, though, to break apart as we head towards noon, bringing back that full sunshine for the rest of today as our temperatures glide towards 82. As for tomorrow, 80 degrees for Grand Rapids into the south. North of Grand Rapids, you will likely be in the 70s, with scattered chances for showers predominantly impacting north of the I-96 corridor. As for your Friday, we continue on with isolated to scattered chances for thunderstorms, but what I will say is that my confidence in how much rainfall we're going to receive is starting to diminish just based off of current model trends. Low pressure system and the influence of the warm front today. Scattered shower chances come tomorrow. Hour by hour forecast again keeps a lot of that rainfall north of 96. And then as we head into your Friday, the system actually kind of slips just to the south of us with a secondary system to the north, leaving Grand Rapids in this sweet spot of potentially a little bit less rainfall than initially anticipated. That could move out fairly quickly into your Saturday, leading way to a sunnier Saturday and certainly a dry fall.
These days, I feel like.
Apparently.
It's nice though, because they might like wear themselves out. They love the water that much.
Yeah.
Then they